people, we're gonna work on our course today. Our core. Did that yesterday, but unfortunately it didn't get recorded because of some issue. So we're gonna repeat some of it today. So let's get started. Another thing I'd recommend you to do, don't just eat ice, which I did, and now my throat is feeling funny. Anyway, stand in Utkatasana, not Utkatasana, Parvatasana. Come on your toes and your heels and do it a couple of times. And then go to a back bend. Come to a forward fold. Step on back. Up dog. Down dog. And then bring your right hand to touch your right shin and lift your leg up and put enough space. Come back. Other side. Your one leg and then come to one-legged plank, one-legged chaturanga, one-legged up dog, three-legged down dog. Come back. Lift your other leg up. Come to one-legged plank, one-legged push-up, one-legged up dog, one-legged down dog, and come back. Lift your one leg up again and open your right side. Then make some circles. Lift it up. Open your left side and then make big circles. Both sides. Come to all fours. Cat cow. Breathe in. Breathe out. Cat. Cat, cow. Lift your alternate leg, alternate arm, and bind if you want. Come back. Other side, and bind if you want. Let's come to child's pose. Move to the one side. Move to the other side. Come back to center. And then come back to all fours. to come to Mayura. If you don't want to do Mayura, just flip your palms and do that a couple of times. Add a little bit of weight. Otherwise, join me in Mayura. Turned out decent, but it was hard. My clothes were slippery. This one is harder when anyway, let's not blame the tool. We are gonna come to dolphin. So from dolphin, we are gonna come to low plank. Go back to dolphin, come to low plank, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, I'm gonna just try to do my hair a bit because we're gonna come back to what is the name of the pose? Let me try to remember. Dolphin pose, and come to Pinchamarasana. You can avoid Pinchamarasana and stay in dolphin. So your choice. To set yourself up for it, squeeze your palms. Look forward. Nice. Oh, it's not a bad one. The trick to achieving balance is really trusting yourself and keeping a little bit distance. So you give yourself a little chance to balance out with your arm. Otherwise you'll just fall onto the wall. Okay, let's try to come to scorpion. If it's in a practice, otherwise please stay in dolphin and just roll back and forth. Nice. All right, we are not just getting started with our course, so I don't know what happened to my timer. I'm gonna enable that. Sorry. Stay in low plank if you can, and then right leg to right arm, right leg to your nose, right leg to your left arm. Couple of more times. Hover this out. And then come to Vasisthasana. Crunch in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then come still keeping the alignment, dip in, dip out. 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna do the other side. This works out our side body like crazy. We'll do the other side. Left leg to left arm, to nose, to right arm. Couple of more times. Nice. And then take the leg out. Come to Vasisthasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then add dips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to plank. Right leg to right arm. You can stay in lizard lunge. I'm gonna, since I'm trying to work out my core, I'm gonna go to hurdler pose. Nice. Let's do the other side. What is happening with my watch? Left leg up, left leg to left arm, and you can come to something again, lizard lunge, or come join me in hurdler. Nice. Coming back to plank again. Right leg to right arm, right leg to your wrist. Up, down. 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come to down dog. Look in between your hands and glide through. This wasn't my best gliding through. I've done better. Doesn't matter. You get the idea. Come to a forward fold. And then come to inverted tabletop. You can do the basic version or extended version, up to you. Coming back. Come to a low boat. Then even go lower and lift, lower and lift. Your intention, you're staying a little low. 3, 4, 5. And then come to a boat pose. Maybe straighten your leg or not. And then hover, lift. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come down all the way. We're gonna keep crisscrossing our legs and lift. Then go down. Change your legs if you can. One last time. If you have your block, this is a good time to get hold of your block. We're gonna keep passing the block like this. And now we are going to do bicycle twists. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Have your leg in gentle inversion again. Engage your lower abs and kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Trying to avoid cramps. 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Now let's join in Vasisthasana. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. Damn, my side wrists are like burning. Alright, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm not doing my top leg, by the way. I'm doing my bottom leg. 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do our top leg since you reminded me. So if you've done top leg before, you can do the bottom leg. I'm gonna do the top leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Come to burn angle. Open your leg, open your chest, straighten your spine, and forward fold. It's really wonderful, you know, how you can get up, how you can feel your practice with just core. And I think we still have a lot more poses we could do. Now we're gonna do a little relaxing one. So it's, I wouldn't say it's a variation of Janusasana, but you can see my legs. Both are folded. Yeah, it's kind of like a, not even like a W. Maybe, yeah, I don't know what the shape is. Please just watch me. So yeah, come to this form and then extend your body and crawl. This is actually a sleep-inducing pose. If you're having issues sleeping, you can try this. As if we need yoga to be sleep-inducing. A lot of people complain yoga anyway puts them to sleep because it's so slow. Anyway, we're gonna change your side and stretch yourself. I wanted to try something. Let me just quickly see. Right. This is something I want to try. So, this is a variation of Vasisthasana, where instead of having the leg up, you bring it forward and then you extend the upper body. I actually don't know the name of this pose. I don't think it has a name, or maybe it does. anybody finds the name, let me know. Step variation. Alright, we'll do the other side as well. So first come to Vasisthasana and then take the top leg forward. And what happens, you know, like different muscles basically stretches, which we don't get to stretch. I know it feels a little weird, but it is what it is. So yeah, I do want to stretch my IT band. I haven't done that for a long time. To find my strap. I can do with your strap, but it's easier to demonstrate. So even if you maybe get a towel, even if you can't touch your, you should do the other leg to do IT band stretch. Even if you can't get hold of your big toe, you can get a strap or a towel, plug in the thigh in your hip socket, and then move it to the side. The goal is not to touch the ground really. The goal is to have a good stretch in your IT band, which is like your outer thigh. Feel the stretch. Keep the integrity of the pose. Bring it up. Come down. While I'm on this side, I'm gonna also open up my hip. You can do one leg at a time, but because I need to change side, I'll do both legs. And then I'll open this hip up. What I mean by keeping the integrity is keep both of your hips glued to the mat and then open up as much as you can. So see, my hip is hiking up. I'm gonna press it down so it doesn't hike up. Nice.